Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into something many of us experience daily smartphone performance after heavy app usage. We all love our apps, from social media to games and productivity tools. But what toll does this constant use take on our devices? First, let's talk about the initial setup. When you get a new phone, it's zippy and responsive. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and everything feels effortless. But as you start downloading and using more apps, things can change. Why does this happen? One major factor is storage. Every app, its data, and updates eat into your phone's available space. When storage gets full, your phone struggles to manage all the information. Think of it like a filing cabinet overflowing with documents. It becomes harder to find what you need quickly. Then there's RAM, or random access memory. RAM is your phone's short-term memory, where it stores data for apps currently in use. The more apps you have open, the more RAM gets used. If your phone runs out of RAM, it starts closing background apps or swapping data to slower storage, which causes slowdowns. Over time, your phone's performance may decrease. App updates and new features often demand more processing power and resources. Some apps are poorly optimized and drain resources without you realizing it. Some apps run background tasks, which constantly use resources, even when you aren't using them. Now, let's look at the signs of a struggling phone. App launch times increase significantly. Switching between apps becomes sluggish. You might experience lag or stuttering during gameplay or video playback. The phone might feel hot, as the processor works harder. Battery life also takes a hit. So, what can you do to keep your phone running smoothly? First, regularly clear your cache. App caches store temporary data, and clearing it can free up space and improve performance. Uninstall unused apps to free up storage and reduce background processes. Update your apps regularly, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Consider closing unused apps in the background. Many phones let you do this easily via the Recent Apps menu. Monitor your storage usage and delete unnecessary files, photos, and videos. Avoid downloading too many apps simultaneously, as this can strain your phone's resources. Finally, occasionally restart your phone. This clears temporary files and refreshes the system. A well-maintained phone is a happy phone. By understanding how app usage impacts performance and following these tips, you can keep your smartphone running smoothly for longer. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how your smartphone performs after a day of heavy app usage. We're discussing those apps you rely on daily: social media, gaming, video streaming, and more. How does your phone hold up? Let's find out. First, let's define heavy app usage. It's more than just checking email. We're talking about running multiple apps simultaneously, switching between them constantly, and using them for extended periods. Think of a workday you're on Slack, checking emails, scrolling through Instagram, maybe playing a game during lunch, and then Netflix or YouTube. That's a workout for your phone's processor and battery. Now, let's look at the factors impacting performance. The processor CPU is your phone's brain. It handles all calculations. The more powerful the CPU, the better. Then there's RAM, random access memory, your phone's short-term memory. It stores data for active apps. More RAM means more simultaneous apps without slowdowns. Also, consider storage. A full phone slows performance. Battery health is also vital. Aging batteries lose charge capacity. This can lead to performance throttling. Software optimization is another key aspect. A well-optimized OS manages resources efficiently. Updates include performance improvements, so keep your phone updated. What performance issues might you notice? Lagging or freezing is a classic sign. Apps take longer to open. Switching between apps feels sluggish. Overheating, especially during gaming or streaming, is common. Apps might crash unexpectedly. Rapid battery drain is another sign. If your battery drains faster, your phone may struggle. How to improve performance? First, close unused apps. Regularly clear your cache. Uninstall apps you don't use. Update your software. A factory reset can sometimes resolve issues. In conclusion, smartphone performance after heavy app usage is complex. By understanding the factors and optimizing your phone, you can ensure a smoother experience. Thanks for watching.